That side?
Yeah, that's right.
We are here right now. We are here.
Yeah, we are here. Right.
So this is the first ring. The second ring
Yes.
is block 2, block AB.
This one in the foreground.
Umentri rangba ke Jelau konrad ke sangma haka pratari ujemmang arja arpusan ulan lej ban jurep ya ke Sdang ban tei ya ke Secretariat ba Thymmai ya Umsawli wat kemilanti ban Pyndep ya ka Hasiteng usnam arja arpunyo ke Secretariat ba Thymmai kan dei ke wei na gisen jam komisi benta ban weng ya ke Jingtei kali hanong ba Shillong haringkat ki officer na katanat planning and urban affairs umentri rangba ula yo ban pet ya ke jingya chakmat ke jingpen kre ban sna ya ka Secretariat ya ke balam Mang Tyngka shihajar shispa prapupra Klur ban Pyndep ya ka nalor ke jing jurep ya ke tei ke jing sna Secretariat ba Thymmai umentri rangba ula wan ru ban jurep pun teli ke Jingtei kam hanong ba Shillong bat New Shillong Township Umentri rangba ulawan shwa ban jurep ya ka Polo Market Complex nang ta ka project ban Pyndep pinbiang ya ka wa umkra ki surok ha New Shillong Township ka Unity Mall ka surok ummir sha mau khanu ka Miyawaki afforestation site bat ka jaka yang kali ha Polo.
Oh yeah. And this one is going to be later on.
No, sir, it's also
start ho gaya.
Sir, when you were coming, no, PCC was going on.
We jayenge na wahan.
Yes, sir, yes.
From the other side. We have come here to the site of the new Secretariat, and as you can see behind me, the work is going on in full swing. In fact, the excavation work and the foundation work also is going on at a very fast pace, and I'm very happy to see the progress of the work. And we expect that the project should be completed on time. And we're expecting that sometime in 2027 mid we should be able to complete this project. So this is a very, very important project because this not only is the overall administrative city, but it will also lead to a large level of decongestion within the existing Shillong city. Because once the administration moves out, then a lot of the space will be open, a lot of the traffic will be diverted, and therefore we will see a large level of decongestion taking place in Shillong city itself. At the same time, as you're aware, that we are constructing multiple roads that are leading to the new Shillong area and the Secretariat area. Some of them have been completed, some are under the process of being completed, and hence we will have a very good connectivity from the existing Shillong city to the new administrative city. So we've come to see the work, we have reviewed the whole work, and we're very satisfied with the speed of the work, and we expect that the project will be completed on time. So there are total 110 cameras in this building, and all is monitored from here.
Yes, sir.
This is like the integrated control command
For the building management system. It's the building management system.
This part of the smart city and the whole concept of having a smart building with proper monitoring and cameras for safety and other aspects, security. Very good. So apart from this, I was told that there is a smart car parking. Let's see that.
25, huh?
25, 26. Big difference. 25.
Not December. Let's say at least before the rains of next year. Let's say one more year from today.
I mean, what about these things? Can you take a picture here? Stand here, just picture here. Because I also want this to be kind of a record of before and after. We have come here today in Polo area to inspect the work of the Polo Mall under the Smart City, as well as the Riverfront development project, which is funded by the state government. And as you can see, the work for the Polo Mall is complete, and now we are under the process of renting out or leasing out the different shops that are there, and we are hopeful that within the next couple of months few of the shops and areas will be active. There is space for entertainment center, there is space for food court, and there are very large shopping areas and even commercial areas for organizations that wish to have their space there. I'm very happy to see the work in the Polo Mall come up very fast. And as I said, within the next couple of years, couple of months, we should be able to get the rooms and the place active. In regards to the Riverfront project, again, this is one of the very important projects for us, keeping in mind again the overall beautification of Shillong and the National Games, which is coming up in 2027. There are two parts to this particular project. One is the development of the riverfront in terms of the infrastructure and also the overall cleaning up of the river itself. So we are very keen to do both. Today we have come to inspect the infrastructure development work, and it's going on at very fast pace, as you can see. And we expect that by the end of this calendar year or early next calendar year, hopefully within the financial year of 2025-26, we should be able to complete this first phase of the riverfront. We have a second phase also that's coming up, where we will be building up more areas for smaller shops and eateries, as well as some parking space and some space for people to stay in, more like a hostel area where sports people can come and stay here, and this can become kind of a area for sports training, especially high altitude training. So all of these projects are going on, so I'm very happy to see the progress, and I'm hopeful that, as I said, within the next 8 to 12 months, we'll see this entire riverfront come up very, very well. And but at the same time, I do urge that the riverfront without the river being clean is going to be meaningless. And therefore, I urge the citizens, the local Dorbar, the headmens, and the society at large to work together with the state government to ensure that we are able to keep our rivers clean. This requires the participation of the people, especially the residents, and we will be working very closely with them to ensure that this target also is achieved. After this, we'll be going and surveying and going to review some other projects. And as I said, I'm happy to see that this Polo front is an area is developing very fast.
Pej bahagi kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangi bam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habat thiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kata ika dur jingki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam daki mar bam madon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.